Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what is the nature of the universe? Let's explore the universe's essence. What is it, really? Let's dive in. Universe is space, time, and matter. It all began with the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. Dark matter, dark energy, and cosmic expansion. The driving forces behind it all. Stars live, die, and birth planets. We're part of this cosmic cycle. Earth, a unique oasis of life in this vast expanse. Science, curiosity, and technology unveil the universe's mysteries. The universe, ever-changing, ever fascinating. But remember, the universe is not just out there in the stars. It's right here, within each of us. Like, subscribe, and explore with us.